Hello everyone, welcome to the amazing channel. I'm about to make you guys some delicious egg salad. So I've had my eggs on the stove for a minute. They're almost ready. I love egg salad, and I'm doing a lot more cooking, and I'm showing you guys easy, quick recipes. Because when you're a full-time employee and you're working and you got a family, you have a lot going on. So it's just easier to do a quick meal and everyone is happy and it's delicious. So again, I'm making egg salad, and I like to put sausages on my egg salad sandwich, so I'm cooking those up. And I just looked at a comment from one of my family members, Shirley May and Willie Earl show. And she commented on another one of my videos from the other day, and she said she's going to start calling me Cooking with Sylvia. And she put a hashtag in the comment. Thank you, Shirley May and Willie Earl Show. I'm definitely going to use that hashtag. I love it. And I appreciate you, sis and bro. Thank y'all so much. Yes, that was Shirley May and Willie Earl Show. They are a hoot. But anyway, we'll be back. I got my eggs boiling, like I said. And y'all can hear these are hot, spicy sausages. So they're going to be, good. So anyway, we'll be back. Okay, the steam is coming up. The eggs are ready. It's only 2 eggs in here, y'all, because my daughter doesn't like egg salad and my husband doesn't eat it neither. So they don't know what they're missing. But anyway, yeah, so I'm pouring off the hot water right now. And the easiest way to cool down your boiled eggs quickly, and sorry y'all, I'm using my camera and I'm trying to do this. You put cold water on them, and after you put cold water on them, cover the eggs completely. So like if you're making deviled eggs, this is the easiest way to do it, to make sure your shell comes out clean and your outer shell for your deviled eggs don't be all jacked up. Put that ice in there, and then you let it sit. Once you let that ice sit, it cools, it brings down the temperature of the egg quickly. And then you have a nice smooth outer shell for your egg when you're making double eggs. It's a tip for you guys. And little massages, they're getting all yummy yummy. We'll be back. Hey, so now my eggs are ready to be peeled. Okay, I took the water and the ice off. Look at that, y'all. Look how that shell just comes right off. So anyone who's making deviled eggs, remember this. I used to have the hardest time trying to peel my deviled eggs. And then it was like, I found out putting ice cubes in your water and putting cold water in and let them sit for like 2 or 3 minutes. Perfect egg. So I just wanted to rinse it off to make sure no shell was there or left on there, because you don't want to be eating no shells. Okay, this is my second egg. And it wasn't a fluke. Look at that. Eggshell coming right off. Falling off, y'all. So, yeah, y'all make sure y'all put that ice in your water. Okay, so, and I just put my eggshells here, because y'all know eggshells and boiled eggs are funky. So now I'm going to smash up. I'm going to smash up my eggs, because I'm getting my egg salad ready. Now, I'm telling y'all, this is the best. Oh, I got my toast in the toaster. Hold on for a second. I'm still here, y'all. I'm just flipping over my toast. We don't want... I'm back. We don't want no burnt toast. So that's almost done, because when you have an egg salad sandwich, you have to have toast, y'all. and you got to mash these eggs up fine. You don't want no big hunks and chunks. You want nice chopped up eggs. So that's what I'm doing right now, y'all. I hope everyone is having an amazing day. Thank you all for coming in and checking me out. Thank you all for the support and the love. You know I appreciate each and every one of y'all, my family members. Your girl Be Amazing Sylvia, that's me. For anybody who don't know me, I'm on the road to 2K. Ooh, and I'm getting there, and I'm excited. And I'm working on my watch hours. So if you feel led to bless me, let me get my toes. Turn off this toast, y'all. Don't want to leave nothing on here. Give me 1 second. I'll be right back. Okay, so sorry about that. I turned off the toaster. So what was I saying? Yeah, I'm on the if you feel led to help me out with watch hours, I would greatly appreciate it. If you do, I have playlists on my page on my channel. So just make sure you comment on a video to let me know you're watching, and just make a genuine comment on the as you watch, and like everything so I can get out there in the universe. So once I see that, and you can always send me a message on IG. My information is on my about page. And I will truly appreciate y'all. Y'all know I appreciate you anyway. But yeah, no, definitely appreciate that. Okay. So now, see how fine and dime that is? And y'all know y'all girl always have to have a pepper. You can't go wrong with pepper. Pepper on food is everything. And I'm a little heavy-handed because I like my pepper. Then some salt. We gotta have some salt and some pepper for taste. And then you just mix that on up. Get it nice and good. It's just eggs, relish, and Duke's mayonnaise. Hillbilly Carolina. I know you love your Duke's mayonnaise, y'all. If y'all don't have Hillbilly Carolina, that's one of my family members. Y'all make sure y'all get him. And I like mine with a lot of relish. To each his own. But I love my sweet relish. And I dump it in. So I am not a big mayonnaise fanatic. So I don't use a whole lot of mayonnaise. Some people do. But I'm not a big time mayonnaise fanatic. I just put enough in there to make it creamy and make it work. So, alright, yeah, I am truly not a big time mayonnaise person. So, that is the egg salad. I'm going to put this in the refrigerator because I like mine cold. So once I get it nice and chilled, I'll be back to show you the end result and the sandwich. Because don't forget, I fried up some sausages, spicy sausages. I'm putting it on there on my toast spread, and it's going to be amazing. Okay, y'all, I'm back, and I'm ready to eat this delicious sandwich. I got my toast all nice and crispy. I put my egg salad in the freezer. I actually put it in the freezer because I'm greedy. I'm ready to eat. So I'm putting the egg salad right now on the bread, y'all. And of course, I got too much for one sandwich. It can make two because I made 2 eggs. So what I'll do is I'll wrap that up and I'll eat it tomorrow. I got my nice and brown sausages. I like them brown. I don't like them pink looking or light brown. I like them nice and brown. And what I do is I just rip it in half and I lay it on there so each bite will have a piece of high sausage. Y'all just don't know. This brings the flavor all the way out. So, look at that, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. This is the egg salad. I'm about to cut this baby in half. And then once I cut it in half, of course, I'm going to taste it for y'all so y'all can see what it looks like. Yes. That's the egg salad. So hold on for 1 second. Okay. Now, here we go. Okay. This is delicious. Y'all make sure y'all get this egg salad recipe and make it and enjoy. Oh my God. Y'all know what time it is. It's time for me to go chow down. But thank you all for watching. Thanks for all that you do. I will be doing a shout out video real soon for all you amazing people who have been watching my playlist, who have been supporting my videos, who have been in my lives. So it's going to take me a while because I got to go back to look at everything, but y'all know my word is bond, and I'm going to shout you out because I appreciate you all. It takes a village, and you guys are my village. Thank you so much. Peace, love, and blessings, and have an amazing day. See you on those YouTube streets.